Hello guys, once again, this is my vintage Citroen Xantia. It's 1.9 turbo diesel. It's a very nice car, and there's 3 options going up and down, and then I will show you how to raise up and down. I'm just warming my car. It's a vintage car, so when I go here and then bring it up with this button, just pull it up, and then guys, you can see it how it works. Just look for it. It's going up. It's a very nice car. So I love this car very well. And then, yeah, it's all up. Just see this one, and then I will bring it down to make it sport. So just look at it. And then I will push it again, this one, down. Then just observe it. Just observe it. Just observe it. Now it's going down. So yeah, you can see it's very low. So this is a sport. Yeah, very nice. This is a warm up of my car once for a while, just to move the suspension. Okay, and then I will bring it back to the normal. I will open and back to the normal. Then I will just touch this button up and bring it to the middle. Yeah, you can see it's already in the middle. And then just wait for a while the suspension charges. So we can move it here, then we can see it, what happened. Now you can look it, it's going up. Yeah, that's the normal height of my car. So we can check it, the back wheel, and something like 2 to 3 minutes will back to normal. Yeah, just wait, and then it goes up. Okay guys, this is a very nice car. It's a Citroen Xantia 1.9 turbo diesel. Okay, just for a moment guys, we will just wait until it goes up the back wheels. Now just observe it. it's going up. Yeah, so that is the normal height of my car. It's a very nice car, guys. So you can just look it in front. Well, it's windy, so that's already the normal height, and it's a very nice car. It's a luxury car of Citroen xantia, assembled 1999. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. This is my classic car. Just I bought it for 350 euros, so it's a nice price. Thank you so much for watching.